Alright, see if I can shine some light. Here's the Q45 injectors that are rated 370 cc's. These three didn't have the whatever this thing is called. I took this one off and put it here, and it fits perfect. And then Jeff got me some new O-rings for VEs. He got me the ones that go on the rail, and then he got me these right here and this one. Okay. My question is it supposed to be that loose? Let me see if I can get it. Look, check this out. Oh, this one's pretty tight. Hold on. Look how loose it is. Hold on. Let the camera focus. Focus. There you go. Look how loose it is. Is it supposed to be that loose? This one seems okay. This is just comparing them. But the filter thing, whatever that goes here, fit perfect on here. And I'll show you. This is actually from another one. It seems pretty loose. I don't know if that's normal. They're brand new. These are the VE ones. And these fit, you know, the SRDTs or 300ZX. You know, they fit a couple different cars. Let me know what you think. But these are all from the same car, a Q45. They all came from a Q45. Like I said, these look like they were replaced. Looks pretty new. Looks pretty new. So I still got the old rings that came with the injectors. These are the old ones. I could just put them back and see. They fit a lot tighter, and they look in good shape. So I don't know. I might use them instead of using these loose old ones, new ones. Let me know.